Let me come to the second strategy. These companies, the companies that we love and admire, have very intelligently embedded principles of behavioral sciences in their business model. Result that they make us do things they want without us realizing it. And in the process, we get pleasurable experience. And therefore, we fall hopelessly in love with these brands. Friends, I'm your instructor and I would like you to know 4 things about me. First, I'm creative. I have changed the rules of the industry in which I have operated. Number 3, I have created categories in industry which did not exist before I entered that industry. And lastly, I love to share knowledge. Friends, this is the IPL era. And if you were into cricket and I asked you a simple question, do you want to play test cricket, one day cricket or T20? What would be your answer? You would look at me amazed and say, sir, the answer is of course T20. If I asked you why, you would say, that is where glamour is, that is where money is, that is where audience is, that is where the future is. Well, the same thing is true in the world of business. 1950s was the era of product economy where Coca-Cola, General Motors ruled the roost. Come to 1990s, the era of product economy died and service economy went up. This service economy ascent was led by technology companies. But in this century, the service economy is dying down and is giving birth to the experience economy. Now, in experience economy, if you still sell your brand as a product or a service, it is akin to you trying to play test cricket and one day cricket in an era of T20. Would that not be ineffective? Would that not be inefficient? Would the solution that you're using seem a bit out of place and irrelevant? Therefore, friends, in an era of experience economy, you need to sell your brand as an experience. And therefore, I invite you to join this certification course on brand and experience marketing and get the tools, techniques, framework, and perspective of how to market your brand as an experience and gain all the benefits out of it. Let's take iPhone, let's take Amazon, let's take Netflix, let's take Uber, let's take Starbucks. Now, some of these products like Apple iPhone is a product, whereas Netflix and Uber is a service. So, what is the common theme between all these brands who are a mix of product and service? Each one of these brands, whether they are product or service, the marketing strategists in these companies sell them as an experience. And therefore, the next question is, how do they sell it as an experience? They sell it as an experience by ensuring that when you as customers come in touch with it, which is called the touch point or moment of truth, these brands should give us pleasurable experience. They should evoke positive emotions in us, so much so that we fall hopelessly in love with it. And when we fall in love with these brands, what do? We display extreme brand loyalty. Well, I'm going to share with you 2 strategies. The first strategy that these companies follow is that when their brand come in touch with us, the experience is so pleasurable, it evokes so much of positive emotion, and that pleasure gets associated with these brands, and we say that these brands cause us pleasure. And human beings, being selfish, we always want to seek pleasure, therefore we seek these brands out, which again goes back to what we said, it leads to brand loyalty. Let me come to the second strategy. These companies, the companies that we love and admire, have very intelligently embedded principles of behavioral sciences in their business model. Result that they make us do things they want without us realizing it. And in the process, we get pleasurable experience. And therefore, we fall hopelessly in love with these brands. You've got to ensure that once customers come in touch with your brand, there is no post-purchase dissonance, which in simple language means What you promise is what you deliver. But many of you would look at me and say, hey, listen, what? During the course of my academic and during working, I got exposed to experience marketing. So what else can you teach me? I'm sure you have experience to experience marketing. But when you join this course, you will get exposed to the best practices followed by the best companies of the world. You would also get exposed to curated content from me. I have taught some of these content, some of these concepts at leading B schools at IIM Indore. I have taught these concepts to multinational companies that we respect and admire. These contents have also been published in a book by Penguin called The New Rules of Business. Would you not want to get exposed to additional concepts, framework, tools, and techniques on how you can deliver memorable, pleasurable experience to your customers? More the better. Now, whether you are a student or a professional or a startup guy, give me 90 minutes, 5 days, and we will have a conversation on how do you deliver pleasurable experience? How do you evoke positive emotions? How do you get customers to fall in love with your brand? How do you build brand loyalty? And a whole host of other benefits that are so desirable. And when that happens, success is bound to come your way. On the first day, I look forward to welcoming you for this course.